Once in a while, a piece of furniture just needs a single color to make a big impact. This poor little bookcase was filthy and it was in not that great a shape. So of course I cleaned the entire thing with Dixie Belle's White Lightning with a TSP based cleaner to prep the piece for paint. This gets all that nasty stuff off the piece and then I rinse it with water. And as always, after it's clean, I get right into giving it 2 coats, a few hours in between, and 24 hours later I'm ready to paint, of Bonding Boss. Bonding Boss is Dixie Belle's adhesion and stain blocking primer. It's a problem solver and makes sure I won't have any issues with that paint sticking or the color of the bookcase coming through a light color if I use it. Not everybody primes their pieces. I prime all of mine to make sure I'm not going to have a problem down the road with any of that paint coming apart, and especially for something like a bookcase or legs on a piece of furniture where a vacuum or something could hit it. Once I have that full clean slate with my Bonding Boss, I'm going right into Silk All-in-One, Mineral Paint, and Tide Pool. Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint goes on super smooth and it's really creamy. This has a stain blocking primer in it, but it does not have an adhesion primer, and it also has a top coat. So once it cures in 30 days, this is a really tough finish you can use on bathroom cabinets, kitchen tables, or something like a bookcase, and it gives you a really nice finish after 2 coats. Give yourself about 4 to 6 hours to dry in between, and then give yourself your second coat. It's self-leveling, and what I mean by it cures in 30 days is it will feel dry as any paint, but it'll be fully cured and at its hardest point after 30 days. So until that point, just be gentle with the paint. Now I left the inside wood because this actually matches a secretary that I have on the other part of my room, and I'm probably going to use it in there. And I took Golden Ash No Pain Gel Stain and an applicator pad. No Pain Gel Stain is an oil-based gel stain that can go right over existing finishes, and watch how it takes away all those scratches and imperfections and gives me a nice, clean, smooth finish. Over an existing finish with a like color, it might only take 1 finish and then let it dry for a few days because it is oil-based. Here in Florida, I'll let it dry for quite a while before I put anything on it. But look at the difference and look how beautiful and shiny the inside of the interior is now. It looks brand new. So I'm going to give you one more look at what this little crusty bookcase looked like before I cleaned and primed it. And then I'm going to give you a look at what it looks like now. I decorated it with some coastal decor just because the color was appropriate, but I think I'm going to use it for some of my painting supplies and brushes and things so they're at my fingertips instead of being tucked away in boxes in the closet. I love to paint things all different colors, but this little bookcase just needed 1 single color to make a huge impact. Follow me for more furniture flips.